So this question says class 1 and class 2 have a total of 675 house points. Class 1 have double the number of house points that class 2 have. How many house points do class 2 have? So if we use our two questions to help us answer this, the first thing we need to do is find out what the question is actually asking us to find out. So it's asking us how many house points do class 2 have? So class 2 is who we are focusing on. So the question is asking us how many house points do class 2 have? Now, when it comes to the important information or the key information we can extract, we can say that we've got a total of 675 house points and that class 1 has double class 2. So the key information is 675 house points in total, and then that class 1 has double the house points of class 2. Now, to represent this, I'm going to put a box here and a box here. I'm going to use the bar model. So this is going to be class 1. Let me change my pen back to that. This is going to be class 1. And this is class 2. And then in total, we've got 675. So what I've done here is I've taken my key information and that there's 675 points in total. And for this class 1 have double class 2, I've drawn it in a bar model and I'm going to put some dashes through here. So that's to say that what class 2 have, so this here, class 1 have 2 of them because double is times 2, isn't it? So whatever class 1 have, class 2 has 2, whatever class 2 has, class 1 has 2 times that, double that. So if, for example, this says this on the next slide, so if you do move on, you will see this. I'll just do it on here for now. But if, for example, class 2 have got 4 points, what does that mean class 1 have? Well, class 1 have got double, so that's times 2. So class 1 would have 8 because it would be 4 in here and 4 in here. So class 2 would have 8 points. Class 2 would have 4 points. Class 1 would have 8 points. What happens if class 2 had 10 points? Well, again, we'd have 10 and we'd have 10. So class 2 would have 10 points. Class 1 would have 20. Class 1 has got double what class 2 have got. Now, if we look at it the other way around, and I say to you that class 1 have got, let's say, 30 points. So let's say in total, class 1 have got 30 points. So I'm going to split this into 2 parts because I've got 2 parts of my bar model. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. So that would mean 15 goes in each box. So if we follow on that pattern, 15 goes in each box. Class 2 has got the same as one of those boxes. That means class 2 have got 15 points. And again, you can see that 30 is double 15. So what we need to do, if we're looking at an amount in total, if we keep those same numbers actually, if I say to you that in total, we have got 45 house points. We need to do 45 divided by 3 because we have got 3 equal parts. Now 45, I'm not going to use the formal method for that. So 45 divided by 3 equals 15. So again, I know that each box would have 15. If, for example, we had a total of Let's say, yeah, we have got a total of 150. Now again, because I've got 3 equal boxes, I'm going to do 150 divided by 3. I know that 150 divided by 3 equals 50. So in each box is going to be 50. So here, class 1 have got 100 points. Class 2 have got 50 points. So this is the kind of pattern you need to follow to answer this question. So if I go on to the next slide. So here again, we've got those 3 boxes because class 1 has got double what class 2 have. In total, we've got 675. So what we need to do is 675 divided by 3 to find out how much each of these boxes is worth. So how many 3s go into 6? That is 2. There's none left over, so I don't need to carry over anything. How many 3s go into 7? Again, 2. I need to carry over 1 because 3 times 2 is 6, and we've got 1 left over to make 7. And then how many 3s go into 15? Well, that would be 5. So that means each of these boxes is worth 225. So the question is then asking us, how many points do class 2 have? Well, class 2 have 225 house points.